Hi, it's Amy with WTI. Do you struggle with getting to sleep at night because of noise disturbances? Or maybe it's hard to study because of the noise that's happening around you? Well, I was having that problem and I found the solution in these PQ silicone earplugs. My favorite thing about them is that they cap your canal, so you're not shoving anything inside it. They conform so nicely to my ear. You might wonder, how does it do that? Because you rub the wax between your hands, warming it up, and then you can press it in and the noise is blocked out. I found a significant difference in how I sleep using these. I like that it comes in this little cardboard box so I can easily pop it in my purse so I have them if I ever need them. Check out this variety they have to choose from. Having these allows me to take a nap during the day if I need to. This is priceless. And I'm a side sleeper, so I love that I can comfortably sleep on my side with them and they don't fall out and they don't feel uncomfortable. These are also great for when our kids are practicing their musical instruments. So, whether it's the drums, a saxophone, or them playing their favorite piano song over and over and over again, you can just pop these in your ears and get some quiet time. These PQ wax pillows are a must have if you have noisy disturbances like barking dogs, a snoring mate, loud kids. They work fantastic. And that's my point of view.